We are going to repipe an entire home in just one day, and you're going to see that it's actually possible. And of course, we'll show you some clips of exactly how we do it and talk to the homeowner in this short video. Check it out. Okay, so first steps is we have to go ahead and prepare the existing pipe to be able to accept the new fittings that are coming in. All we have to do is to go ahead and cut some of the drywall out. Again, it's minimally invasive, but we've got to get ready for our new fittings. Controlling dust and debris is a huge priority when we're in your home doing your repipe. Whenever we're cutting the drywall, we go ahead and use shop vacs to vacuum up the dust so that it doesn't get in your central heat and air system. 6 other plumbers had been here before, and not one of them used drop cloths to protect their floor. This is just part of the service that we offer here at Repipe Experts. Cutting access panels like this is just part of the process, but we try to make it minimally invasive and we make it paint ready when we leave. Your home already has access panels just like this that we can use to get around. We can run our tubing wherever we need to deliver water within your home. Quality is job one here at Repipe Experts. The apparatus that I'm holding right now is for testing the pressure on the hot water heater. Once we turn the pressure back on and the water back onto the house, we want to test our joints and all of our pipe to make sure that there are no leaks.
He walked me through the whole process of what would be done, the cost involved, putting back the sheetrock and plastering it back to the wall. The only thing I have to do is the painting, but that can be done down the road. It's no rush on that. But it was a process of submitting. He called the next day, was at my home the next day. So it was approximately 2 days, 2.5 days.
And there you have it. It's as easy as that, from contacting us to getting your initial consultation and getting us here on site to complete your repipe. Go ahead and click the link down below. Give us a phone call, get us involved, and we can help your situation. Happy to help you here from Repipe Experts.